No, Mr. Bond, I expect you to die. That is a quotation from the third James Bond movie called Goldfinger. I was going to say Goldmember, which is another funny, great movie, basically mimicking Goldfinger. Anyways, we have one of these Kyosho models. It's a 172 scale because Kyosho is trying to fit the standard size bases for their cars, but some of these James Bond things have all sorts of things sticking out of them, so they went with the smaller scale. This is an Aston Martin DB5, as you can obviously read here. This also went on to be seen in the movie Thunderball as well. Alright, so I bought it loose, no packaging or anything like that, but there's only been one Kyosho collection of James Bond cars and vehicles. I think I still have to get an Acrostar jet from that collection, maybe something else as well, can't remember. Okay, so let's take a look at this. I think the internet is telling me the Aston Martin actually took a few of these and resold them, like refurbished them or something like that. I could be wrong, but that's what, when I was looking for images, that was the impression I got. And I think these photos might be it, or maybe this is an actual car from one of the movies. I think it's, yeah, right. So this car has a lot of Q gadgets here. It's got machine guns underneath the, well, behind the turn signals there, some sort of spring out bumpers, and then the license plate revolves around. I think there are 3 license plates it could have as it spun around there. Also smoke emitters and oil ejectors. The tire center caps, well, wheel center caps would come out and shred out their tires. And then most infamously, an ejector seat. So that's what these lines are for, if in case Bond wants to eject the passenger from the vehicle. The ejector seat was from a Martin Baker fighter jet. Okay, well, that's all I really learned. Let's take a look here a little closer. So naturally it's going to be the color of the movie car. Although I gotta say, those images look like a silver car. This looks more like a gray car, like metallic gray. Doesn't really look silver to me. Alright. It's got wire wheels. You know, it's really hard for anyone to get wire wheels looking good in 164. Never mind 172, so I guess for 172 that's not so bad for wire wheels. But it does have rubbery tires like other Kyoshos. But it is press fit together like old Kyoshos. And then it's got some nice tread on those tires. Alright. So there's a little black paint in the little recesses here. Looks good. Silver on the door handle sticking out. This one's got a little chip in it, but again, it's a used model. I think that's the fuel filler door there. Going around to the front, there actually is an Aston badge printed on there. Let's see. Yeah, I can't make it out, but, you know, they have like a block there for text and stuff. And then I guess this must be one of the license plates that was used in the spinning license plate thing. This is a print. I can feel some fine ridging there, but I think it's the ridging of the paint itself. And then you can see the little machine gun sticking out here. And the headlights do have plastic inserts. The bumpers are also sticking out a little bit like that photograph. So that's pretty neat. But bear in mind, if you drop this model, there's a good chance that's going to snap off. These are separate plastic bumpers here. Okay, a little hood bulge there, but no paint. Some painted on wiper blades. And then the ejector seat, of course. Silver for the window trim. And then this is the bulletproof pop-up thing here. License plate matches, or does it? 6789. It does match. It would have been cool if they had a different plate there, because this one revolves as well, I think. And then we have some painted on, you know, rear lights. Some of the orange is worn off. Again, it's a used model. These must be maybe the oil ejectors, or no? I don't know, because the photograph, they're actually underneath. Alright, black interior. Really shallow windows, so you're not going to see much of that interior in a 172. Not even going to bother here. Okay, that is it for looking at this guy. Let's pull out one of these spinning things here. Gonna do a dirt road today. So I have a 1/64 scale DB5 by Kyosho, and you can kind of see the wheels are much better at 1/64. They actually look like there's air passing between the spokes here. Let's see, I haven't looked at this guy in a long time. Whoa, see, there's a little light coming through those spokes on the back wheel. So that's pretty crazy that in 1/64, that's the big difference. But it's really hard for anyone to do wire spoke wheels in 1/64, but Kyosho did a good job on this one. Alright. Okay. I got two of these other Aston Martins from the 007 collection. These 172s, I just put them back on the stand so I can remember what the vehicle is. I wish they told you what movie it was in. That's what would be great, because there's just so many Bond movies. I think this DB5 is shown in one of the later movies with Daniel Craig. Correct me if I'm wrong, or let me know what movie it was in. I don't watch the Daniel Craig movies anymore. Okay, those are some other ones. The 172 Astons from the Kyosho Bond collection. Alright, so I know I have to get at least one more vehicle from this set. Maybe when I get all of them, I'll just do a roundup video or something like that. Okay, well thanks for checking this out. See you at the next movie.